When it comes to enhancing your golfing experience, the choice of a golf trolley can make a significant difference. Golfers are constantly seeking the best golf trolleys to provide them with convenience, durability, and style on the course. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best golf trolleys you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Clicgear Model 4.0, a golfer's dream comes true. Ranked as the number 5 best golf trolley, this marvel of engineering combines compactness, lightweight design, and durability that tugs at the heartstrings of every golfer. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum tubing, it's not just robust, but also scratch-resistant, ensuring longevity. The maintenance-free airless tires glide effortlessly, making maneuvering a breeze. Weighing a mere 21 pounds, it folds down to a compact 13 by 15 by 24 inches, fitting snugly into your car for easy transport. Universal Fit is a game-changer with an adjustable silicone strap system that cradles your golf bag securely, while the adaptable upper saddle accommodates bags of all sizes. Worried about storage? Don't be. It boasts abundant space, including a storage console with holders for your scorecard, golf balls, pencils, and tees, plus a spacious net for personal items. For $299, the Clicgear Model 4.0 isn't just a golf trolley, it's a golfing companion that ignites passion and elevates your game to new heights. Experience the game of golf like never before with the SereneLife 3-wheel folding golf hand cart. This golf push cart is a masterpiece of design and functionality, earning its place as the number 4 best golf trolley. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, it radiates strength and durability, ready to bear the weight of any golf bag. Its elegant black and red color scheme adds a touch of sophistication to your golfing ensemble. What truly sets this cart apart is its thoughtful engineering. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for golfers of all heights, while the ball-bearing wheels glide smoothly across any terrain, ensuring a seamless journey on the course. The quick braking system offers peace of mind, preventing unexpected rollaways when you need to pause. Plus, it comes equipped with a deluxe scorecard, a storage compartment, and a convenient cup holder. When the game is done, its flat fold design makes storage effortless, fitting snugly in your trunk. All this for a price that won't break the bank, just $156. Elevate your golfing experience with the SereneLife 3-wheel folding golf hand cart and savor every moment on the green. Meet the BagBoy Nitron 3, the golf trolley that will elevate your game to new heights and tug at your heartstrings. With its one-step fold, the Nitron 3 simplifies your life on the course. It effortlessly folds in seconds, making setup and storage a breeze. Its nitro piston technology, akin to a powerful heartbeat, provides a smooth nitrogen-powered open so you can focus on your swing. But it doesn't stop there. This trolley boasts a full-feature scorecard console with a built-in beverage holder, mobile device holder, and golf ball storage. It's like having a caddy right beside you. The extra-large accessory bag underneath the console is perfect for storing all your essentials. The BadBoy Nitron 3 stands as a beacon of innovation and convenience in the world of golf. Let it be your trusted companion on the greens and watch your game soar to new heights, all for a price that's worth every emotion it evokes. This remarkable trolley, priced at $279, is more than just a golf accessory, it's a golfer's best friend. Introducing the Caty Tech 4-wheel golf push cart, a golfer's dream companion. This isn't just any ordinary golf trolley, it's a symphony of convenience, elegance, and precision. With its patented one-click folding mechanism, it transforms into a compact wonder, measuring a mere 17 by 14.2 by 26.4 inches, making it an effortless addition to your golfing experience. Crafted with a lightweight yet robust aluminum frame, this cart weighs less than 17 pounds, ensuring that your energy is conserved for those crucial swings. The large 11.5 by 2.6 inches rear and 10.5 by 2.4 inches front EVA maintenance-free wheels guarantee impeccable balance and traction, conquering any terrain with grace. Its 27-inch wide body design ensures a smooth push, complemented by front wheel axle suspension for added stability. The cart boasts a scorecard holder with a storage compartment, a convenient beverage, a cell phone, a GPS holder, and a mesh net, keeping your essentials within arm's reach. But here's the best part: the adjustable handle height and foot brake give you absolute control. Elevate your golf game with the Caty Tech 4-wheel golf push cart, priced at just $200. It's not just a cart, it's your trusted golfing companion. Say hello to the KVV 3-wheel 360, the golf trolley that will transform your golfing experience. It's not just a cart, it's your trusted companion on the greens. Picture this: you step onto the golf course, and there it stands, your KVV 3-wheel 360, a beacon of innovation and convenience. The height-adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for golfers of all ages, making it perfect for teenagers and adults alike. But that's not all. This trolley boasts a deluxe scorecard holder with everything you need, from a beverage and cell phone holder to a cooler for those hot days. It even comes with an umbrella holder for unexpected showers. Navigating the course is a breeze with the 360-degree swivel wheel and 12-inch rear wheels, ensuring smooth rides over any terrain. And when you need a brake, the quick foot brake system is at your service. Best of all, it's a cinch to fold and unfold, thanks to the one-button mechanism. And right now, it's a steal at just $183. Thank you for tuning in to today's Tech-tastic journey. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. In the fast-evolving world of technology, staying up to date is essential, and we've got you covered. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or just getting started, our channel is your go-to source for the latest reviews, tutorials, and insightful insights. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community.